Hello there, welcome to the third lecture of CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can import medias or files that you want to edit on CapCut. As you can see, this is the interface of CapCut. What you have to do, simply click here on this option. Here see drag and drop videos, photos and audio files here. You have to simply click here and then you have to go to the folder where your unedited videos, photos or files are existing, and from here select your videos, photos or files and then click here on this open. Here you will be able to see all your unedited files or videos. And if you want to import more, see there have one another option, import. Just click here on this import button and then go to your folder where your unedited videos or medias are available, and then select your medias and then open, and see these files or folders will be imported here. So in this way you have to import your files or medias on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching this video.